Namaste friends, welcome in Techno Trade Jai. Today is 23 March 2024. Now we are discussing the Nifty, Bank Nifty and some more good scripts. Let's see on a chart. Here 15-minute Nifty chart is open and we have already marked the level of the Nifty. You can see the Nifty range between 22,186 above we will buy and the below 22,042 we will sell it. Let's see in the day chart. In the day chart, Nifty give a breakout of the narrow range, then again retest that level and again some profit bookings come and Nifty take a support of 21,800 and now it's a bounce back. Let's see, wait for the Tuesday and after that Wednesday direction will decide. In day chart it's a bullish shine. Let's see in the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is also showing a bullish shine. Let's see the Bank Nifty in first of all weekly base. In the Bank Nifty it's come in its upward direct uptrend in a weekly time frame. Let's see in the daily time frame. Daily time frame it's a give a false breakout, then keep up opening and sustain this level. So as per my view, Bank Nifty direction is clear for trading on Tuesday. Nifty will decide after the Wednesday. In the Bank Nifty, you can buy above the 47,000 and sell below the 46,600. Let's see in the Reliance chart. Reliance will support the Nifty. Reliance is taking the support of the breakout level and again up direction is continue. Let's see the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is also in a narrow range 1480 to 1400. Let's see the ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank sustained this 1075 level. Let's see the Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank is also trying to going upside. So as per my view, Bank Nifty is a positive and Nifty is some confusing level. Let's see about the gold. In the gold, some profit booking will come and gold will see near the 2100 level. Let's see the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is slowly going upside. So as per my conclusion, no trade is confirmed on short side or a long side. Wait for the 1 week. You can follow me on the Twitter and I will providing free of cost my view. You can check with the time. Thank you. Have a nice day.